Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen Hub in machine learning. Zen Hub transforms your GitHub experience by adding robust project management capabilities directly within your existing repositories. It's designed to help teams, especially those in machine learning, streamline their workflows. You can easily manage complex projects, track progress, and collaborate effectively, ensuring your model development and deployment cycles are smooth and transparent. Let's dive into setting up your first ML project board. To begin, set up a dedicated Zen Hub workspace for your machine learning projects. This workspace acts as your central hub, allowing you to connect one or more GitHub repositories. You'll want to define custom pipelines that reflect your ML development lifecycle, perhaps including stages like data collection, feature engineering, model evaluation, and production. This structure provides a clear visual representation of where each task stands, making it easy to track progress across your entire team. Zen Hub's epics are perfect for managing large machine learning initiatives, like developing a new recommendation engine or improving an existing model's accuracy. Break these epics down into smaller, actionable GitHub issues, such as implement new data pipeline or train model with new dataset. Assign story points to each issue to estimate effort, typically ranging from 1 to 8 points. This helps your team plan sprints effectively and maintain a clear overview of project scope and progress. Tracking your machine learning project's progress is straightforward with Zen Hub's reporting tools. The burndown chart helps you visualize work remaining and predict completion dates, while release reports provide a comprehensive overview of your release cycles. The Zen Hub board offers a real-time visual of all issues moving through your custom pipelines. Team members can collaborate directly on issues, adding comments and attaching relevant files, ensuring everyone stays informed and aligned throughout the entire development process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.